The menu for setting the time is indicated by a clock. To adjust the settings, simply plus, minus, OK. We set first the day, then the month, then the year. Afterwards, we move on to the time setting, to adjust the time. To set the program, turn the wheel to the program menu. From here, you'll notice the screen indicates 00 for midnight and day 1 for Monday. Down the side, we have sun for on, moon for off. When programming, press the moon for off until the time that you wake up. Then sun for on while you're in the house, moon for off while you're out during the day, and sun for on when you return in the evening. To move to the next day and input something completely new, simply press OK once and input your off and on times as required. To copy the program, press and hold OK. You'll notice the arrow skip from Monday to Tuesday. Repeat as many times as required. Please note that you can have as many increments as you wish, depending on what your schedule is. To set your temperatures, turn the wheel to the thermometer symbol. From here, you can adjust your on temperature, indicated by the sun, with the plus and the minus, followed by OK to confirm. Your off temperatures, indicated by the moon, plus and the minus, with OK to confirm. And finally, plus and minus, set your frost with OK to confirm. Then simply turn the wheel back to auto to run your programs. If you're heading away for a few days, simply turn the cursor to the suitcase and input the date at which you return. Plus, minus to adjust, OK to confirm, plus, minus to adjust, OK to confirm, OK to confirm. It will then indicate the temperature at which your house is protected and the number of days that you are away. Should you return home early, simply turn the cursor back to auto and it will return to its normal program settings. Should you not require heating, simply turn the cursor to the off position. When heating is again required, turn the cursor back to the auto setting. To perform a manual override, turn the cursor to the hand function, adjust with plus or minus to your desired temperature, and press OK to confirm. Please note that this is a permanent override, and should you wish to revert back to the normal program, simply turn the cursor back to auto. Should you return home early or wish to simply boost to a heating temperature, press any button to bring it out of standby mode, and then press the top button to revert to the heating temperature. Should you wish to revert back to your normal program, press the button once more, or indeed let it run until the end of the next program, whereby it will revert back to your normal program settings. Should the battery be running low, an icon will be displayed on the screen. To replace the batteries, take a small flathead screwdriver, insert it into the screw located beneath the wheel, and turn by 90 degrees anti-clockwise. You can then remove the fascia to find the battery housing. Please note the replacement of the battery should take no longer than 30 seconds to avoid losing your settings. Then, replace the fascia, turn the screw by 90 degrees clockwise, and your replacement is complete. Should you wish to change to a mobile backplate, simply take your flathead screwdriver, insert it into the screw, and turn 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Remove the fascia and replace it onto your new backplate. Take your flathead into the screw and turn by 90 degrees clockwise.